Hey, you're in my way. I'm trying to cook. Yeah. You don't care, do you? I get it. You don't care. Okay, today I'm fixing a pork pot roast. So I got my Crock-Pot. Got a pot roast in the refrigerator. They sell these at Walmart. The pork ones are the best deal. And even then they're almost $12. It's not for you. No, it's not for you. No. Not for you. Not for Kitty. Okay. So, I got Crock-Pot liners. Because cleanup in a truck is very problematic. So this is the way to go. No fuss, no muss. All right. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I gotta look at the directions. There's the veggies. There's the seasoning packet. Oh, that's not how you do it. It's supposed to go in there. Alright, let's see how much of this I can get. In the measuring cup. Not much. Oh well, it'll mix in. Okay, need some water. Water. I am parked at a truck stop taking a break. So if you see trucks going by, that's what's up. It's really busy here. You don't want to spill. Spills are bad. Huh, Kitty? All right. That's right. All right. Place the roast in there. Remove the veggies. Yada yada yada. Okay, got it. I got this. Will that split open? It will. I didn't know that. I never did that before. That makes it easier. Okay. It's like living in a submarine. Everything's got a dual purpose for storage. Ever watch them old submarine movies where they, maybe even not so old, where they stick food into every little crevice before they go on patrol? Kind of like that in a truck. All right. Well, rather than make a mess of that, I'll just use my scissors. I like to cut up the potatoes and the onion, at least a little bit. Kitty just got up from a nap. So that's why he's kind of running around. Wondering where his treats are. Where's my treats, Dad? I always get treats when I get up from a nap. Well, how about in just a couple of minutes? Let me get this going. Not ready to put this in yet. First, I need something else. Two something elses. I need that out of my way. That wasn't one of the something elses. That's not it. That's it. Everything needs a little bit of Zatarain's cayenne pepper. Just a dusting. Now I can hose it down with this. And lid. This is one of those transport, you know, the ones you take to a potluck or something. Anyway, I partially close those down. Then I've got these straps, and I use these straps to hold the crock-pot down on this table, because otherwise it would go flying while I'm driving, and that's what I'm about to do. As soon as I get this done, I gotta hit the road. Okay, got everything ready. Got my mess cleaned up. I got this thing mostly strapped down. It's just a couple of Velcro straps that run underneath and through the handles, and that way it holds it down while the truck's running. So I got it plugged in. Just got to turn it on. Put it on high because I'm only going to be driving about another 4.5, 5 hours today. And so Kitty wants a treat. Here you go. Would you drop it? There you go. He's gotta have his treats. Well, it's almost 5 hours later. I think the Crock-Pot should be done. I'm gonna check it out. Bubbly. Okay, let's check it out. Should be falling apart. That looks pretty good. Gotta be careful I don't cut that plastic bag, or I will have to clean my Crock-Pot. That looks good. Nice and tender. So I'm going to quarter this up. I can make 4 meals easy out of this. I'm going to have one tonight. And after this cools a little bit, I've got glass bowls. So I'll just divvy it up into the 3 glass bowls, stick it in the fridge, and then when I'm ready to have one, tomorrow for lunch, tomorrow for dinner, I'll just throw it in the microwave, and we're good to go. So the pot roast is so hot that it deformed my fork, my plastic fork. Oh well, it'll cool off.
If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see even more videos from all over the United States, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also invite you to visit my website to learn more about my over-the-road trucking adventure and what it's like living on the road.